Hey there, John from Wise, here to answer all of your "How does Wise work?" questions. A lot of people still associate Wise as the money transfer folks, but we offer so much more than just affordable transfers with zero markup exchange rates. We have a bunch of products designed to make cross-currency money management as easy as possible for our over 16 million users. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the products we offer that you may not know about to show you what they can do for you. Wise Money Transfers. We changed our name to Wise back in 2021, a while after we started to do more than just money transfers. But as the product that started it all, here's some background on what it is and how it benefits our users. Our transfers stand out from the crowd because of their speed, the pricing transparency we offer, mid-market exchange rates with zero markups so you know you aren't getting ripped off, a huge list of currencies to choose from, and it's all easy to use. Transparency is the foundation of what we do. So our calculator in the app and on the website will always show you our fees without hiding anything in the exchange rates. You can also check the fee and exchange rate we offer before registering with us. Other providers may seem cheaper at first glance, or even say they have no fees, but they'll have unfair exchange rates that mean you actually end up paying more once the transfer is made. This is why we always ask you to pay attention to the final amount the person you're sending money to will get. Our website also provides you with a comparison tool. So if one of our competitors is cheaper for the currency route of your choosing, we'll make sure you know about it. But remember, if they claim they offer free transfers and appear to be sending less money to the recipient in the end, you'll be able to see that too. It's also good to know that we just don't do small transfers. You can send large amounts of money with us too. For example, at the moment of this recording, the limit for transfers from euros is 1.2 million per individual transfer. We left a link in the description for you with more information on larger transfers. Now we've covered all of that, here's how to send money with Wise. Complete our quick and easy sign-up process using this link or the one in the description. Click on Send in the app or on the desktop. Select the currency you're sending from and to. Enter the amount of money you want to send, or choose to enter the exact sum you want the recipients to get. Enter the recipient's details. Confirm the details of the transfer. You'll then be given a list of suggested payment methods to choose from. For more details on Wise Money Transfers, click on this video. Got any questions? Leave them in the comments section and we'll get back to you. Wise Multi-Currency Account. With Wise, you can hold 40+ currencies within one account. And depending on where you live, around 10 of these have account details that allow you to receive transfers. These include euros, British pounds, US dollars, and a ton more. You can hold money in different currencies, convert your balance, make transfers, and spend using Wise Debit and digital cards too. Let's take a look at how we do that now. Wise Debit Card, not just a pretty face. Our Wise Debit Card has more going for it than its green design. Some regions even have a limited edition white Echo card on offer at the moment of this recording. The Wise Debit Card gives you access to all the currencies you've chosen to have balances in, and it's perfect for your travels or when you need to spend in a different currency. It gives you free withdrawals around the world up to a certain limit, and you can pay like a local, avoiding unwanted fees. If you're wondering what the global limits are, we put a link in the description for you. Now here's how to add your card to your wallet. Once your Wise account is set up and verified, click on the Card tab on the app or desktop and select Order Your Card. We'll then ask you to enter your address, set up a PIN, and enter your name that'll appear on the card. You'll be asked to pay a one-off small fee or to make a top-up. Here's a video how to use the Wise Debit Card. The availability of the Wise Debit Card also depends on your region, but it already stretches to over 70 countries, and we're working on making that number even bigger. Want the card to come to you? Leave a comment and we'll let the team know. Wise Digital Cards. It's all in the name. It's the same as our debit card, but you guessed it, digital. Like a physical card, you can use our Wise Digital Card to spend at the real exchange rate, both online, in-store, and when you travel. They can be deleted and replaced instantly up to 3 times a day. with the exception of the UK, where you can only create one card a day at the moment of this recording. You can freeze them anytime, anywhere, and your 3 digital cards will all have different card details, separate from your physical card details. Perfect for online subscriptions, bills, not worrying about forgetting your wallet, and of course, an extra layer of security. Detailed video about Wise digital cards is here for you. Wise Business. We mainly talk about personal accounts on this channel, but our business option deserves a mention here too. More than 300,000 businesses use Wise every quarter. They get all the same features as personal account holders, like transfers, cards, and multi-currency accounts, with added capabilities like batch payments for up to 1,000 people, setting team access to the physical and digital cards for team members, invoice paying, tracking expenses, integrating Wise with accounting software, and different types of software, API integration, and the list goes on. Like our personal card, our Wise debit card for business accounts is available in a lot of the world, and we're still adding to the list. Click on the link in the description to explore all the business features we offer. Set up direct debits and save with jars. Our jars feature sits in your account and lets you separate the money you want to set aside into different categories, just like you would in a savings account. Money in your jars is separate from your available balance, so you won't go spending it by mistake. Saving up for a trip or a big purchase? Putting money aside for bills. Make it your own with as many jars as you need. Simply go to your account, click on the plus icon, select jar, pick a currency, customize your jars to your liking. That's jars covered. Direct debits are just as easy to navigate. Set them up from your account and authorize your service providers to withdraw fixed or varying amounts from your balance when the payments are due. Direct debits can be used for things like paying monthly subscriptions in a gym, or for example, phone and electricity bills. To set up a direct debit, the first thing you'll need to do is find your account details. Once you have your account details, share them with the company you want to pay to set things up. The process will vary from company to company, so they may ask you to fill in a form or have a quick chat on the phone. This isn't usually a long process, but from our side of things, it's easy. So as you can see, we're about more than just money transfers. And the goal of all of our features is to make multi-currency money management as easy as possible for you. We do the heavy lifting. You just be you. We're always looking to add more features to our product, and you can learn all about what's changed, what's changing, and what we currently offer on this channel. Press subscribe to stay up to date, and see you soon. Bye.